101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to our second section of our discussion tonight. And still we are going to talk about the street food, but we have two newcomers here, and I'd like to invite all of them to introduce themselves one by one, and probably start from you, brother.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
And my full name is Abdul Wahid Tapamukas. Yeah, you can call me Wahid. I come from Sugminasa.
Okay.
And I study at Muhammadiyah University of Makassar. Thank you.
Okay, next.
Okay, thank you, Israel. My name is Richard Syaya. You can call me Richard. I'm a student right now at Hasanuddin University.
Okay.
Well, I'm from Tanjung Bunga.
Okay.
Well, I think that's all from me.
Okay, so as you hear just now that we are talking about the street food, and Brian and I already talked many things related to the street food, and I'd like to ask you the same question. Okay, start from the definition. Okay, I will go with Wahid. Okay, in your perspective, what is the definition of street food?
Okay, the street food, it means like what is the food in
The street.
Yeah, like on the street.
Okay.
They can we can serve any food, and I think it's more cheaper.
Okay, it's cheaper than.
It's cheaper.
Okay, what about you, Richard? In your opinion, what is street food?
Well, okay. Street food for me is some food which is called junk food, which are provided by the seller on the street. Most likely, if you want to find it, it's located on the street.
Of course,
for especially Pasar Cidu,
Yes,
Cidu market.
Exactly.
Yeah, there are a lot of street food in there, and everyone there are a lot of variant that you need to filter it first.
Okay.
But I guess most of the street food are rarely healthy because
exactly.
it's fast food.
Fast food.
They cook it so quickly because there are a lot of customers who want to buy it.
Okay. So, for you, what is your favorite street food?
Well, actually, I want to say the favorite street food, I still don't know because
you like all of it?
I rarely try the street food.
Okay, why is it? I mean, because of the healthy?
Not just the healthy, but I rarely visit the market. Right? Yeah. If I want to have some food, I will go home because if you eat what you cook at your home, you know what the procedure, how hygienic is it, rather than you go to the market or the street food, you don't know is it hygienic or no.
Yeah. Especially the oil, they use that many times. Yes.
We don't know is it good oil or sometimes like gorengan, they often use lilin.
Oh, really?
They combine with lilin because I've seen it.
Where I mean? YouTube.
Don't.
I mean, you see.
Yeah, I don't see on YouTube. I see in real life.
Oh,
so I guess it's better to hide it.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, what about you, Wahid? What is the street food that you like the most?
I like maybe like pentol goreng or meatball, because I think it's cheaper than if you want to go to like the restaurant or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, I prefer to eat in the street food rather than like go to the restaurant or something like that. Yeah, because for example like meatball, we just buy 1,000.
Okay.
We just 10,000 per cup. But if you want to go to the restaurant, yeah, maybe like 25,000 or maybe 30,000. Yeah, maybe in disadvantage if you want to buy in the street food, maybe like not hygienic. I think maybe, but I think I think I prefer eating in street food than apa to the restaurant.
Okay, so that's actually the same assumption from Cabrian that mentioned that if we want to save our money, that's better to just go to the street food and buy some food there rather than go to the restaurant or something like that, because we know that the restaurant has tax, so that's like higher price rather than the street food. And okay, I will go to Cabrian. Okay. So Cabrian, all of us here know that if we buy street food, especially the junk food, that has a bad quality of healthy.
Yeah.
So, in your perspective, how to improve the quality of the street food in our country?
Okay. Yeah, that's the hard question, I guess.
Okay.
But I try to answer it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. To make our food is more hygiene than before. We have to make less of oil.
Oh, less of
Yeah, less of oil. And if you want to sell the street food, don't don't cook it on the street. Just put it mentahan.
What is that?
Yeah, you just put the raw and we buy it and we cook it in our house.
Oh, so
Yes.
it will not called as street food anymore, isn't it? I mean, if we like just cook it in the home at the home, so that will not. I mean, that will not called as a will be called as a street food. Yeah, but
Yeah,
that's okay. That's your
I think-
suggestion.
yeah.
I mean, from that opinion, I will get. I can get conclusion that there is no way to improve the quality of the street food.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Because the only way to be healthy, just get it and take it and
Take it and
cook it in the home at the home.
Yes.
Okay. What about you, brother? I mean, in your perspective, what are the alternative that you can offer so then that can be the alternative to improve the quality of the street food in our country?
Well, first thing first is we need our Ministry of Pangan. They need to control all the street food who want to sell it on the public. For
Okay.
example, like all the tenant should asking a permission from the government if they want to sell. Like in UK, everything, every food or drinks are controlled by the government. They can, the seller cannot make. They just cannot just make it simple. They need to. They need to watch all the ingredients inside the food.
Okay.
Because if we can control, it's all started from the government. If they can control and they can make the system, I guess our society or most of our adolescents or children will have a good nutrition, and it will affect our height. Average height in Indonesia it's around 162. But if the government control it, I guess we could. Our height could increase like Korean or Japan. I think that's all.
Okay, so means that if they improve the ingredients, not just take the ingredients, they have to pay attention on the quality of the ingredients. Do you think that the price will be up? Will be higher than before?
Well, sure. If we want the quality, you need to pay more.
Okay.
It's better you pay more for your food rather you pay the hospital.
Okay,
or
I see.
Your health care. I guess it's all.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, what about you, Wahid? Yeah, the same question. In your point of view, how do we? I mean, how the alternative that you can offer so then the street food can be improved?
I think for the first we have to know what we want to buy, and then what the customer want to the supplier, maybe like penjual maybe.
Okay.
And then maybe, and then we have to learn about the marketing, maybe especially in, just like marketing in the street food. And then we have to see what the nutrition of the food itself, because because we just not like we sell the food for the what is the advantage for us, like keuntungan to kita, but we have to make sure what the benefit for them,
the customer,
for the customer, and then we sell it by the maybe like dominant price, maybe like if you sell like pentol goreng, maybe like 5,000 per one ball, maybe we can sell like the same price to to the
customer,
among to the seller, because because supaya tidak ada kayak keirian begitu satu sama lain, because because we want to make our street food higher, like
the quality,
the quality, we have because we have to think what's the best for our customer, for our environment, what's the benefit for us, especially for the customer, and and maybe for our what is
family,
among the sellers, among the sellers, maybe for the we know it, this is the street food, we have to cook in front of from the customer, but we have to think, maybe we have to protect them, because maybe like some there are many cases from the accident, for example mungkin ketumpahan minyak in their eye, maybe we can build like the what is the seal over there, and then for my conclusion, we have to think what's the best for our customer, for among of our seller, and then we have to like maybe like kekinian of trending for us, trendy for us,
up to date, I'll move to Brian, but before that we have the commercial break, so don't go anywhere, stay tuned, smart listener.